Hi dear students, welcome back to yet another session from Omega. Today I would like to give you more questions from chapter 1 Mathematics, Arithmetic Sequences. But I think it's good for us to deal with the important ideas in the chapter before doing more problems. So you please write in your notebook. We need a notebook. Take a fresh notebook or the notebook which has been used already. It could be used. So please write the main ideas in the first chapter. Okay. So give a title. Important ideas in Math chapter 1. Give a title. Important ideas in Mathematics chapter 1 Arithmetic Sequences. Right below that. First we deal with common difference. Common difference. So this is the first idea you should learn from the first chapter, how to find the common difference. This I told you in the last class. Common difference D is equal to x2 minus x1 or x3 minus x2. So you just write below there D is equal to x2 minus x1. So this is an idea. This could be used in solving the problems. Okay. So you need to find the common difference in finding a distant term, or in finding the sum of a given number of terms, or in finding the algebraic form, or for anything, for any operations in arithmetic sequences, you have to use this idea. Common difference is equal to second term minus first term. And you write the next idea. We are creating ideas. Second idea is constructing an arithmetic sequence. Constructing an arithmetic sequence. Constructing an arithmetic sequence. This I will give you some problems in the coming classes. So you just write the idea, constructing an arithmetic sequence. After that you will deal with finding the missing terms. A sequence will be given and some of the terms will be missing. And you have to find out the missing terms. That is quite important in the SSLC examination. I will give you questions. So finding the missing terms. Finding the missing terms. Missing terms, I will give you problems. Please wait. Okay. After that, next comes the idea to find a distant term. Finding a distant term. To find the 32nd term, to find the 28th term, that needs an idea. Okay. So finding a distant term. If you want to find the 30th term, x30 is equal to first term plus 29d. So this is the idea. To find the 30th term using the first term plus 29 times d, 30 minus 1. Okay. Example. Another example, x20 is equal to x1 plus 19d. Just remember this. Okay. So using these ideas, you could find out any distant term. After that, so finding the common difference, constructing the AP, finding the missing terms, then finding a distant term, then finding the algebraic form, finding the algebraic form, ALGBRAIC, finding the algebraic form. Okay. Then after that, finding the number of terms in an AP, finding the number of terms. N is equal to xn minus x1 by d plus 1. This formula could be used to find the number of terms. There are many other methods, and this is one of the methods used in your text. Okay. And after this, the next idea, finding the sum of terms of an AP. Finding the sum of first 10 terms. Finding the sum of first 10 terms of an AP. AP means arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Finding the sum of first 10 terms To find the sum of first 10 terms of the AB, there are two formulae being used. The first formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into x1 plus xn, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. You have to learn all these things to do problems in your first chapter. Okay, learn these ideas first. Okay, now let us go to a few problems as well. Write the next question. Students, you please write the first question. Question number 1. Find the algebraic form. Find the algebraic form of the following sequence. Find the algebraic form, ALGBRAIC, form of the following sequence. The sequence is this: 50, 40, 30, etc. It is the given sequence. To find the algebraic form, you have a formula: xn is equal to dn plus f minus d. Okay, that I taught in the last class. So answer, you have to find out the common difference first. The common difference, d is equal to x2 minus x1. It is equal to 40 minus 50 is equal to negative 10. 40 minus 50 is negative 10. Now xn is equal to, there is a formula to find the algebraic form. Xn is equal to dn plus f minus d. I hope all you know this formula, and using the formula you can find out the algebraic form. Substitute for d and f. Negative 10n plus 50 minus negative 10. It is equal to negative 10n plus 50 plus 10. It is equal to negative 10n plus 60. This is the algebraic form, negative 10n plus 60. Please don't go for adding negative 10 and 60 just because there is no n with 60. In mathematics, you can add or subtract only like terms. Okay, if there is an n with 60, you can add 50n will be the answer. And here negative 10n plus 60 will be the algebraic form of the arithmetic sequence. Okay. Question number 2. Find the 28th term of the given sequence. Find the 28th term of the given sequence. Write the sequence: 26, 32, 38, etc. So let's do the answer. Give the title answer. Find out d first. How will you find out common difference? x2 minus x1, d is equal to x2 minus x1 is equal to 32 minus 26 is equal to 6. And to find the 28th term, x28 is equal to first term plus 27 times d. This idea must be there in your mind. x28 is equal to first term plus 28 minus 1, 27. x1 plus 27d. It is equal to 26. x1 is 26 plus 27 into 6 must be in brackets. Mind the use of brackets in mathematics. It is equal to 26 plus 162. You have to check up whether it is right. 27 into 6. There is an idea. 20 into 6, 120. 7 into 6, 42. 120 plus 42, 162. So the final answer will be 188. 188. You have to go for some calculation and make it confirm. So the final answer is 26 plus 162, 188. Okay. I hope the two questions are okay with you. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find the number of terms in the following sequence. Find the number of terms in the following sequence. 10, 15, 20, etc. 560. You are asked to find out the number of terms in the sequence. So we don't know how many terms have been missing there. So you have to find out the total number of terms, including the given terms. Okay, there is a formula. But before going to the formula, before doing anything in an arithmetic sequence problem, you need to calculate the common difference. So D is equal to x2 minus x1. 8 is equal to 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. And there is a formula you could use to find the number of terms. N means number of terms is equal to xn minus x1 by D plus 1. Xn here means the last term, because we don't know which term is this. So it is called the nth term, the last term. So xn minus x1 by common difference plus 1. Let us do the substitution. 560 minus 10 divided by 5 plus 1. What will be the next step? It is equal to 550 by 5 plus 1. It is equal to 110 plus 1, it is equal to 111. Okay. 111 terms are there. So this is the way of finding the number of terms in an AP. Hope it is okay with you. So can you do a problem yourselves? Write the question, please. How many terms are there in the AP of multiples of 5? Multiples of 5 between 20 and 200. Between 20 and 200. Here the AP I mean arithmetic progression. Such sequences are also called arithmetic progressions. It's for easiness we write AP. Okay. Here the AP is not given. So we need to find out the AP first. So the AP is a sequence containing multiples of 5 between 20 and 200. So 20 is a multiple of 5, but it cannot be taken because between 20 and 200 means they are excluded. So 20 plus 5, 25 will be the first term. So you write below there, x1 is equal to 25. 20 cannot be taken because between 20 and 200 means the AP is standing between 20 and 200. That means 20 and 200 cannot be taken. Okay. The last term is not 200, but can you say 200 minus 5? Xn is equal to 200 minus 5, 195. Now, common difference D is equal to 5. Multiples of 5 is an AP with the common difference 5. So, N is equal to Xn minus X1 by D plus 1. It is equal to 195 minus 25 by 5 plus 1. What will be the final answer? 195 minus 25 means it is equal to 170 by 5 plus 1. It is equal to 34 plus 1 is equal to 35. When you do problems in mathematics, all the equal to's must be shown in the single line, in a single line. Okay. The equal to signs must be there in a clear line. Okay. One by one. So it is equal to 34 plus 1, 35. 35 terms, 35 multiples of 5 are there. Okay. So today I am stopping here. Give you more problems in the next class. Say goodbye.